save the world with Fishnet. My name's Lorna Bliss, I'm 33 and I'm from Haverhill, just outside of Cambridge. I've been on TV all over the world. Been on This Morning, GMTV, Britain's Got Talent. I've also been on a TV show in Italy, Japan, Australia. I just love being on TV. I just want to be on TV all the time, you know, constantly, on every channel, non-stop, in every country.
Wow, wow, sorry. What do you do for a living?
I'm an entertainer and Britney Spears impersonator.
Okay.
Yeah.
What does the entertaining side of it mean?
Just this and that, you know, ducking and diving, wheeling and
Singing?
dealing. Singing, yeah.
Gotcha,
Yeah,
okay.
singing.
You're looking a bit see-through.
I know.
It's good, though. It's a good look. I don't think I would get away with it. You're looking good.
Yeah. What's his name, by the way?
Ollie.
Ollie. Nice name. You got a really cool job, eh? I'd like to be a household name. Famous actress, famous singer, famous anything. Famous cleaner if there was famous cleaners, you know? You know, I'm all tight round here. It's so weird. I've pulled all these muscles. Better warm up a bit, eh? I want to live the dream and take it all the way to the top.
3, 2, 1, go for it.
Hello, London Town! How you doing? Hi. Hello, Louis.
Is that a sort of a...
It's a body stocking, babe.
Body stocking. Yeah, I'm so glad I didn't wear mine today as well, then we would have clashed.
Sorry, what's your name?
What's your name?
Lorna Bliss.
Can I just ask, how old are you?
33.
33. What are you going to sing for us today?
Dancing Till the World Ends.
OK, good luck.
Thank you.
She's got cute little butt cheeks.
This kitten's got your tongue tied in knots, so see. Spit it out, 'cause I'm dying for company. You notice that I got it. I notice that you want it. You know that I can take it to the next level, baby. If you want this good, shit good and the remix. Baby, let me blow your mind tonight. I can't take it, take no more. Never felt like this like this before. Come on, get me on the floor. DJ, what you waiting for?
OK. That's what I call a lucky escape.
I get you next time, Gary.
Oh, my God. Louis, are you OK?
Yeah. But it's like, I wasn't expecting that. I've done this for 9 years, and that's the first time that's happened.
OK, I think you're in this for the fame, not because you want to be a musician or an artist. And
I'm just doing what I've got to do to get in the game, the same as everyone else.
that's not the same as everyone else.
But I'm trying to stick out from the crowd as well. That's the whole point,
you
isn't
just
it?
admitted
You're
to me
sticking
that
out, okay.
it's just a game to you. You've got no passion for the music or being a singer or what it's really about. You're just in it for the game.
Another great way of being noticed is to sing really well. I'm here to judge the vocals and the stage presence and the performance, and I really didn't think there was any. It was all just shock value. Nicole?
I can't take it serious. I can't, and I don't think you can take it serious.
I think, Lorna, I just think you want to be on TV. You don't care what show it is. It could be Jeremy Kyle. You're there. Lorna, it's a no from me in spite of everything you did.
Lorna, it's a no from me.
I'm sorry, it's a no, thank you.
Lorna? It's a no from me as well.
It was so bad.
Oh, Lord, I'm sorry.
It could have been worse.
How can that have been worse?
Oh, my God. Well, that was weird.
I guess I should have just standed there and sung like everyone else does. It might have been better, but, you know, it's not my thing.
She's nowhere close to what we're looking for.
Ladies and let's hear about X Factor judges, everybody.
Right, bye.
Okay, bye.
Bye.
Hi YouTube, if you want to watch more clips like this, then press that button below. It's just there, look.